fossil of a scorpio. What the fuck? Look at this beach. Like इस बीच के लिए कोई रास्ता नहीं है, ये पत्थरों से यहाँ से आना पड़ता है भाई। ओह ब्रो, इट्स अमेजिंग भाई। आई एम लिविंग द जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा वाली मूवी ऑन एन आइलैंड इन क्रोएशिया। इतना नीला ब्लू बीच मैंने कभी नहीं देखा भाई। इतना ब्लू कभी कोई ओशन बीच नहीं देखा मैंने। लेट मी शो यू व्हाट आई एम लिविंग इन। दिस इज़ व्हाट लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन आई एम एक्सपीरियंसिंग। अभी जब वहाँ से आ रहे थे इट वाज मोर नाइसर। यहाँ पे ओकेश है एंड बिहाइंड दिस तुम देख पा रहे होगे एक और वो बिसेवो आइलैंड है। सो दिस इज़ व्हाट आई एम लिविंग इन मैन। ब्रो इस आइलैंड्स पे ये ट्रीज बिल्कुल डिफरेंट टाइप के हैं और इतना ब्लू। आई एम जस्ट मिसमराइज्ड बाय दिस ब्लू। ब्राइट ब्लू बीच, स्काई ब्लू बीच एंड डार्क ब्लू ओशन एंड देन दिस काइंड ऑफ ब्लू स्काई। भाई हमको यहाँ पे ब्लू सेलेमेंडर देखने को मिला। And on this island they're like mostly this kind of soil, this reddish, and then you have these stones, like really sharp stones. I don't know if somebody is studying geography. Can somebody tell me what this thing actually is? We are on this island. We rented a scooty and came here to this beach on Kamiza, but it is like not that much crowded. Nineveh is very much crowded because it's beautiful. This is also beautiful. This is kind of a hidden beach. Let me show you. It's amazing. Let's go and enjoy. Look, people are doing snorkeling here and everything. Look, for example, them. This girl, she was doing like she's having this mask and everything. This beach was so amazing. It is so clear that we are able to see the fishes, you know, inside. Normally on beaches you can't see anything. It's so sky blue. We were able to literally see the fishes under the water and like it's so clear. It's so nice. I was not on the deep side, but on the shallow side, it was very nice. Amazing. I really enjoyed it. Last goodbye to the beach. Just found a stone. It's completely crystal. Whole fucking crystals. Maybe I'll take a little piece from here. I don't know if it's legal or illegal, but I'll do it. I don't know what plants these are, but I'm having smell of this Ayurvedic oil what my grandma used to use. That smell of the oil is coming from these plants. गलती कर दी यार, स्कूटी यहाँ छोड़नी चाहिए थी, बहुत धूप है। तो प्रॉब्लम ये है यहाँ पे तुम्हें शेड नहीं मिलती बिल्कुल भी। पूरे प्लांट्स है साइड में लगे हुए हैं, बिल्कुल भी शेड नहीं है और व्यू बहुत ही अमेजिंग है, बट यार इज एग्जॉस्टिंग भी है और हवा भी नहीं चली ठंडी, सो दैट यू कैन रिलैक्स। और आई थिंक हम काफ़ी चल के आ गए हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा ही हाइकिंग हो गई आज तो, मज़े आ गए। पर these are all olives. We parked our scooter there and now we are heading towards Stineva beach. The way to Stineva beach is kind of weird. At least it's not that scary and tiring as what we have done already. Somebody is coming to this beach, they should have good shoes, right? Yeah. In which Rebecca's case is not working. This is why I'm saying why you should have good shoes. Look at this beach. Amazing. लाइक इस बीच के लिए कोई रास्ता नहीं है, ये पत्थरों से ऊपर ऐसे यहाँ से आना पड़ता है भाई। तो जिसको भी आना है यहाँ पे सोच समझ प्लानिंग करके आना। इस हिसाब से कोई अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ आना चाहता है तो उस हिसाब से देख लेना भाई, क्योंकि डायरेक्ट आई थिंक बोट से तो पॉसिबल है आना, बट अगर यहाँ से आना है तो नो भाई। जितनी जल्दी आ सकते हो अपने पेरेंट्स वगैरह को उतनी जल्दी ले आओ, उतना बेटर है। स्लिपरी। आई विल सिट डाउन। देखो ये स्लिप को अभी अच्छा हुआ बैठ गया था मैं। Bro, this is so scenic. और रास्ता पूरी ऐसे ही है, ग्रेवल से पता नहीं पत्थरों से होते हुए, कोई असली रास्ता है नहीं ऐसे रोड टाइप। तो we have to come here like this only. Oh, yeah. This Fanta here have like totally different taste, right? It's like more orangey kind of Fanta. And with this view. Bro, it was super amazing. नीचे फिश दिख रही हैं पूरी बायोडाइवर्सिटी यू कैन सी. फिशेस जा रही हैं ऐसे मतलब साथ में ऐसे ग्रो में. भाई इतना प्यारा है ना यहाँ पे. सो ब्यूटीफुल. नेचर के कंपैरिजन में कोई मॉन्यूमेंट कोई कुछ नहीं कर सकता है मुकाबला. इट्स जस्ट यूनिक इन इट्स ओन वे. और पता नहीं ये कैसे बना हुआ भाई. बहुत ही मैसिव है ये. तुम्हें दिख नहीं रहा होगा यहाँ से. ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा मैसिव है. ये दिख रहा है ऊपर तक है हमारे. ऐसे थोड़ा सा कर्व सा जैसे नहीं कोई बॉल सी अंदर हो रखी हो बॉल रखी. और ये बीच की वाइब है. मैं पूरा टैन हो चुका हूँ भाई. इवन दो सनस्क्रीन लगाई है उसके बाद भी. इफ़ यू आर कमिंग टू थाईलैंड इट्स अ मस्ट विजिट. Fuck bro, look, the guy is coming from.
And we are down.
Bro, we are here. What was that? Bro, look at my hairstyle. Okay, hairstyle.
But you know what's even worse?
She have these sandals.
And they are going to break here. Bye bye, beautiful beach.
I think I'm the only vlogger in the world who show like this. Bye bye to say. Bye bye to this beach. Oh man, it was wonderful beach. Best of the best. So now we are on this beach. भाई आज दुनिया के सारे बेस्ट बीचेस देख लिए मैंने. Amazing. It's more on a remote side. No cars and everything. Like these are not allowed here. We had a parking there. We already parked there. Now we are heading towards this. If somebody is coming with the car, or it's the best because with scooter it's really gravelly. You can't really ride a scooter in this gravel. I would suggest to get a car or something because we just almost like we actually fall. Is it everything right? Literally today I covered all the best beaches in the world. Right, Rebecca? And she's gonna swim. I don't know why. Even though we are like very strict on time, but she wanna swim and I cannot help with that. I'm done with swimming. So I'll just let her go swimming. इतना ब्लू पानी कहीं नहीं. लाइट मतलब लाइट ब्लू जिसके अंदर तुम क्लियरली देख पाओ क्या हो रहा है क्या है. ड्रामेटिक व्यू भाई. अमेजिंग अमेजिंग. लाइफ इज अमेजिंग. चलो चलते हैं यहाँ पे. ये क्रोएशिया का एक बहुत डल्मेशियन कोस्ट पे है ना, तो पूरा बहुत ग्रेवली सा हो रखा है. वो क्या रखा है मतलब ऑब्वियसली ग्रेवली है. इतना साफ पानी, इतने बेहतरीन बीच में. Look at that baby. भाई छोटे छोटे बच्चों को यहाँ से ऐसे एक्टिविटीज दिखाना कराना शुरू कर देते हैं. Look what we found. A fossil of a scorpio. What the fuck? I'm taking this home. I'm taking this home. On this fucking island. On this beach. I was wishing for it that I could get some stuff like this. I don't think it's a fossil. Oh, it could be. It could be. Like this. I'm not sure about this. If this is a fossil something, but this is for sure a fossil of a scorpio. You could see that very clearly. तो भाई ये है व्यू. भी पूरी वहाँ से स्कूटी चलाते हुए आया हूँ और यहाँ पे ये कोई पॉइंट सा है जीसस क्राइस्ट का. आई मीन लाइक नो ऑफेंस बट यहाँ पे ये वो एयर स्ट्रिप भी है यहाँ पे. इफ दिस एयर स्ट्रिप इज सेम एज एयर स्ट्रिप, क्योंकि नाज़ीज़ ने भी यहाँ पे एक टाइम पे अपनी एयर स्ट्रिप बनाई थी वर्ल्ड वॉर 2 के टाइम पे. फिर 1944 से लेकर 1988 तक इनका यूगोस्लाविया आर्मी का रूल था यहाँ पे. उसके बाद से इन लोगों ने फिर टूरिस्ट के लिए पब्लिसाइज कर दिया. We just made it to West Town and now we are heading back towards our B&B in Komiza town, and this is the most scenic view bro. Like the town looks so interesting man. My hair looks shit. It looks so scenic, so peaceful. I wish I would have spent more time here.
But now we have to leave. We are very restricted on the time, and the sun is going, so it's not good to drive on hilly areas night. So we would better leave right now. I'll just make a stroll with my scooter there, come back, and then directly leave for Viz. We had rented a scooter for 12 hours, so we have to return it like until 10 o'clock approx. So we have like 2 hours time. I hope until that time we can manage. I wanted to write something for my cousin here as well, but I'm not doing it. I wanted to write a note, throw the bottle inside the sea, but then I thought it would be like throwing the memories from him away from me, and I don't want to do that. It just happened 1 month ago, and I am still having the fresh memories from him that I was talking 2 days ago before this accident happened. I don't want to talk about it right now, maybe.
Bro! You see that shit? Amazing, right?
Yeah.
Don't stop recording. Keep on recording. Oh my god. What are these experiments, man? Experiencing. Bro, this is so mesmerizing, man. For these moments we live. We just had literally most scenic view from here. That is where the Blue Cave is, and this is, in real life, it's totally different. The whole Kumisa town. And there we are. I don't know why some movie or some shit is not made on these things. Like, this island is the best place. Oh wow, what is this? Are these graves?
Yeah.
These are graves. Kabristan. For them it's like a good thing, right? In Christianity, for us it's kind of dangerous. Like, you know, I wouldn't come here alone. Like, I wouldn't come here alone on the graves. You can pause the history of this church. A story about burning boat. अभी यहाँ पे बहुत oranges था, बहुत nice sunset हमने अभी experience किया. Look at this. Bro, ये तो कब्रिस्तान है यार यहाँ पे. Like, this view is so scenic when you see from one of those mountains. It's so scenic, it's just some Harry Potter shit. And from here, from this church, like, Christianity started to Adriatic coasts. And now I'm just going to return these helmets and the keys. We are back into the city. That was our trip for a day. अब ब्लू केव की बारी है. Information देखो कल मिलती है ब्लू केव की तरफ से, तो ठीक है, नहीं तो देखा जाएगा. They are not there. Yeah, we have to call him. And then, so the guy is not coming. He told me to drop the keys into this box, keep the helmets here, and that's it. Like, we don't need to wait for him. These are the keys. And this is the shop. This is the phone number and everything. If somebody wants to book something, it's not sponsored, but booked on Indian license. Quite lively right now here.
The next morning.
So finally, bro, after months of manifestation, we are finally going to the Blue Cave.